Hi, this is P5, Chapter 4, Average, Question 10. Class 5A, 5B, 5C were given some candies to sell for their committee work. The average number of candies the three classes had at first was 2 to 5. So they have the average here for three classes at first was 2 to 5. After class 5B sold twice as many as your 5A, and class C sold 3/4 as many as class 5B, the average number of the three classes had left was 45. They asked how many candies did 5A and 5C sell all together. Alright, so we're gonna have this to read for the second time round, and we're gonna jot down and list the draw the model and get the informations right. Okay, alright, let's look at the second statement. Average of the three classes at first was 2 to 5. So from here always comes back to find the total. So this is about at first, right? So we're gonna do the at first and we find the total, which is 2 to 5. We multiply by 3 classes, which is 6, 7, 5. Then they mention after this 5B sold twice. Twice means 2 unit, and your 5A is 1 unit. And class C sold 3 as many as 5B. So 4 unit here is for the 5B. The average now of the three classes left was 45. This is the left. Okay, so they have left after the selling. The left, again we need to find the left total, which is 45 times 3, which is equals to 135. Okay, therefore from here we would know the sold total balance, okay, the one that they sell in terms of the total, which is 675. We minus 135, which is equals to 540. Okay, now we need to illustrate this off in the model form so that it's easier for us to see. Okay, alright, so we have 5A. Let's talk about the 5A first, because they mention here after the B sold twice, 2 unit, as many as 5A. Alright, so we're gonna do 5A 1 unit, and your 5B 2 unit, right? This is all the sold. Okay, take note that this is all that we are drawing off is the sold. Okay, now we look at the next one. Then they mention about 5C sold 3 times 3/4. So 3 belongs to the C and 4 belongs to the B. Alright, so when they say 4, here, this is 4 belongs to B, where we already have 2, meaning we need to cut this to make it into 4. Okay, to follow the second statement, the second part of the statement. So when this change to 4, when we cut 1 unit into 2, the 5A also we must cut into 2. Alright, then from there the C is 3, so we're gonna draw 3 for the C. So 5C is 3 unit, like that. Okay, I hope you can follow and understand, right? And all of this now is the sole, isn't it? The sole here we find out is already 540. So we can see some equivalent here. So now we can safely say our 5A is 2 unit, 5B 4 unit, 5C 3 unit. Okay, so we need to find, they asked to find 5A, 5C. Alright, so our 5A plus 5C, the selling. So 5A is 2 unit, 5C plus 3 unit, which is equals to 5 unit. Alright, the total unit for all the classes, total unit will be 2 unit plus 4 unit plus 3 unit, which is equivalent to 9 unit. Right, so this 9 unit is equivalent to 540, and we find for this that they want us to find, so 5 unit. So we cross multiply, 540 divide 9 multiply by 5. So when we cancel this off, we will get 300. Right, so I hope this video is easy enough for you to follow. Clear explanation that is easy also for you to explain to your child. I'll see you in the next video.